Hi, Taylor here with Financial Potion, where video is your financial potion. And today I'm going to show you how you can very easily download a video from YouTube. To never miss out on a video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on that bell so you're notified when a new video is uploaded. So if you wanted to save a video from YouTube on your desktop, it's extremely easy. I love using 4K Video Downloader. It's extremely simple. All you do is just copy the link that you want, paste the link, and it's going to register the different quality options that you have to download. And there might be even a format option. You can go ahead and click on the definition that you want to download, and then simply click download and it will download to your desktop. It's that easy, it's that simple, and I hope it helps you if you're looking to download any videos from YouTube. Till next week, stay engaging.